Why people sometime in a life, some people don't belong in the same environment, much less the same world as I and I. Look on the screen here if you believe a joke me I make. You have a man by the name of Donovan Butler. Now this sickhead here has been convicted of 20 counts, 20 different convictions of stealing dead bodies. And now he's back in the judge court. We're going to talk about what this sickhead is in the court for. Greetings, greetings, and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari Soldier of Deep Roots TV, and if this is your first time tuning in, I'm asking you hit that red subscribe button. We're going to have a great relationship, people. And I, man, don't usually start out the thing so serious in about. A man have been convicted of over 20 convictions of stealing dead bodies. Now, that sound real sick, but I'm telling you, this is a Jamaican man, and this is the Jamaican news. I'm Rastafari Soldier, yeah. I'm not going to skip and choose on this one. I'm telling a long time, say I pay serial killers, rapists, and murderers. Me having on my island. A 63-year-old ex-convict shocked persons in the Kingston St. Andrew Parish court yesterday after revealing that he was sentenced over 20 times for removing dead bodies from cemetery. The accused, Donovan Butler, also told the court that he had just finished serving 3-year prison sentence earlier this year, stemming from the last time he was charged. Butler is facing allegation that he tricked a man out of $7,000 and was remanded until June 15. The court heard that on July 9, 2019, Butler told the complainant that he had been robbed of motor car and licensed firearm, needing assistance to go to the police station. The complainant agreed to assist him, but while journeying to the Kingston Spring police station, Butler changed his mind and asked to borrow $7,000 from the complainant. He left the vehicle and disappeared. On April 4th, the complainant spotted him and summoned the halfway tree police, who arrested him yesterday as soon as he walked into the prison, into the prisoner's dock in the Kingston St. Andrew Court. Butler was instantly recognized by senior parish judge Lori and Cole-Montaque. You come before me already, don't you? She asked. Yes, sometimes ago, Butler responds. She then asked him how many previous convictions he had. 20, ma'am, he replied. When she asked what were the type of offense, Butler said, for removing corpse from the cemetery. And what else? The judge further asked. That it is it, ma'am, he said, while explaining that he had pled guilty 20 times to remove dead bodies. He also revealed that she was the one who had sentenced him to prison on the last occasion. You see how these people sick? You see how them people are sick? This man come to court for rip off 7,000, and the judge I remember him, and him I remind the judge too, proudly. So him been sentenced for one thing, thieving duppy over 20 times. Family, these people are really from another side. So, to continue, him said, that's it, ma'am. He said, explaining to the judge, I pled guilty 20 times to removing dead bodies. He also revealed that she was the one that had sentenced him to prison for the last occasion. This is not the first time Butler has been implicated in larceny. In 2015, it was before the court allegedly stealing a Samsung phone. The allegations are that on July 3rd, Butler went to the hotel in Kingston, reported that his car's licensed firearm has been stolen. Seems like this is a trick. You know, when you're out on the street and people say, boy, them have them family and them brought down and them need some money for gas. Boy, sometimes them have all them picnic and them woman with them. Sometimes a trick, me just don't give nobody nothing anymore. I need it. You are gone tea. All I'm giving you is the truth, and I'm treating you the right way in a life. That's all I have to give to you today. So, ladies and gentlemen, the complainant told the court that he offered the transportation to Butler to the National Security Minister to report the stolen firearm. On arrival, Butler borrowed the complainant's phone to make a call while entering the office. After waiting for 15 minutes, the complainant could not find Butler. He was later arrested and the phone was later recovered. You shagga yo, you never know say we have sense because we put a tracking software upon the phone and find you right at your home, your phone. As it relates to the current case, he pled not guilty, telling Cole-Montaque that he could not have been him as he was in prison at the time the offense is said to have taken place. The complainant, however, was not present in court. Butler was then remanded and mentioned date was scheduled for efforts to be made to have the complainant come to court. People, you hear this? You hear this? Donovan Butler, a man convicted of stealing dead body parts over 20 times and still out a road when can thief man $7,000 and man cellular phone still. I'm telling you, a Babylon invent crime. This is a nasty, nasty system, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Rastafari Soldier. Yeah, being the victor, not a victim. Hit that red subscribe button. Can you believe this? Man get convicted for stealing dead body parts over 20 times in a Jamaica and still they're on road. These are some sick people. I don't know if it's the people them who do the crime sick or the people them who let out them to go what will do more crime sicker. Hit that red subscribe button and leave your comment. Hit the red subscribe button for my family. Hit the red subscribe button. Share up the file. Leave your comment. Let me know who's sicker. Unbelievable.
Yes.
Unbelievable. Man a thief body part and get convicted over 20 times. Then what about the time then when him never get catch? Sick.